What's up guys, welcome back on another video. So today I'm going to be replacing the backup camera because ever since I bought the car the backup camera has been really scratched up and really dirty, and I've been trying to polish it, but it doesn't seem to do anything. So let me show you what it looks like. Basically, every time I get the car into reverse, this is how it looks, and it's very like blurry, very weird, and most of that night I can't really see anything. So I was able to get a used one on eBay. I couldn't find a new one, so I just went on eBay and I found a used one. So I got this one from a Focus RS, but it should be the same as the ST. I don't see a reason why it would be different. So the lens on this one looks a lot more clear than the one I have right now. I can kind of see some scratches when I put the lens in the sun, but it looks already a lot better than what it is right now. So I'm gonna try to put this on and see if this is better than what I have right now. So from what I can tell, it's pretty simple. Just gotta remove the trim here for the handles. So I have this little trim tool, and all you gotta do is kind of grab it here and pull down, and then once you got one side, it pretty much comes out by itself. Now just gotta do the other side as well. Put it in there. There you go, one side is out, so just grab it and pull. And now you're gonna have like 2 screws in there. So once you take off these 2 screws for the handle on each side, then you can start pulling the plastic trim off, which is held only by clips. So just gotta pull and then it will come off eventually. Alright, so here's the old one. So it has all the clips on that side, right? Clip on that side, clip on the front, clip in the right. There's no clip in the back. I don't know what's going on with that. I was trying to remove it, but there was no clip, so I couldn't find it. So I'm running into an issue where, so I put the new one on, but basically the new one doesn't have any of the clips because I didn't see when I bought it, and then I took a look at the pictures, and the seller made sure that we couldn't see these, which these are, the plastic is broken, so you cannot have any of the tabs, the metal tabs on this. So there's only one on that side, and you can see the plastic cracked a little bit, so there's no clip holding on. So I'm going to try to see for now if the camera looks better. I plugged it in, so I'm going to test it, and then if it does, I'll just transfer the camera itself to the housing of the old one. Alright, let's see how this looks.
Start recording video.
Oh, that's way better, but it doesn't have the lines. Maybe it's a different function. Maybe in the settings, maybe I have to reactivate it. Vehicle. Camera settings. Oh yeah, review camera delay. I don't know. It doesn't have a. That's weird. Alright, so I know it's a mess right now. So this is the old casing, and I put the new camera in, so then I can use the clips from the one that was originally on the car. This is the new / old casing that I just bought from a Focus RS, and this is my old camera, original from the Focus ST. The part number is the same. Beside, you won't be able to see it probably. Beside, at the end, it says it's 19G490AC, and the other one that I bought says AA at the end instead of AC. So I don't know if it's a big difference, but what I noticed is the original camera from the ST has the lines of the car, like the green, yellow, and the red. But the one that I just bought, when I plugged it in, it didn't have that. So I don't know if it's the wrong model or whatever, but I'm gonna try to plug it in now that I have it into here and see what's different. All right, let's see. Oh, let's go. Okay, now it works, and it's way better than how it was before. All right, that's good. And I can probably do this like before, yeah. All right, so if you're wondering, if you don't have those lines after changing your camera, your backup camera, basically what I found out is if you do like me and you try to replace that whole mechanism and you plug in the new one, if you don't have those lines, try to keep the actual casing and replace only the camera. And to replace only the camera is really simple. So this is the one that I bought, and so I actually broke it when I took it off, when I took the camera off. But basically this piece comes up and it has those little plastic tab on each side. Sorry if it's not focusing, but it has those plastic tabs on each side that go basically into here, just like that. And then instead of doing like me and pulling from here directly, which is why it broke, you basically have to use like two prying tools like these, really thin. You put one on the left side, so it's hard to do with one hand, one on the left side and one on the right side to basically take apart this tab from what's inside here. And then yeah, you have to do both at the same time basically, and then this will pop up open. So don't pull it from here, otherwise this will happen and it will be broken, and then you won't really hold the camera anymore because it will be pretty much just useless. So yeah, and if you want to replace your backup camera, replace the actual camera itself. Don't try to do like me and just replace the whole thing, because it's probably just easier to replace the camera. Then that way you use this for you basically reuse this. Yeah. So now issue that I have is since I don't have a clip in the back, I'm gonna try to use this one that's here, and I'm assuming they're all the same. So I'm gonna take this metal clip out of this casing and put it into my casing and see if that solves the issue of this. It's not right now, the casing is on, but as soon as I'm gonna close the trunk, you see it's like not perfectly on and it's like constantly just moving. So that's the issue that I have right now. So alright, I'm gonna try to fix this and then I'll be back. Alright, so I took the middle clip off of this one, the one I got on eBay, and put it on here, and I put a piece of tape on it just to hold it because it wasn't really holding properly. So this is the one in the back, the clip in the back, so the camera goes in like this. So this is the clip in the back. It was missing on mine, I don't know why, but now I have all four: left side, front, right side, and the back. And hopefully I won't have that issue where the camera just drops all the time. And just like that, the camera holds perfectly. It's not moving anymore. It was mainly happening when I was closing the trunk, so we'll see. Oh yeah, it's not as bad, but I think it's just the front one and the side not really holding. But at least now I have the rear, so it should be okay. And at least now the camera is way cleaner than the old one. I take it back. Actually, the front clip wasn't clipped all the way, so I just had to push it in with some force and it went in. So now it's not moving at all. Lights work, button work, can open the trunk, and camera, we'll check it one more time. No cuts. Let's see. Let's see. It works, and it's way cleaner than before. But I ordered some carbon fiber parts that will go inside the car, since I have the carbon fiber package in here from OEM, from factory, as well as on the gauges here, the shift knob and the handbrake, I decided to get some carbon pieces right here for this piece around, and I ordered one for the center here, so I'll have the side and the center, which go all the way over here. I'm not sure I'm gonna use that one. It seems like a little too much, and I'm not sure these two will match, the one here and the one inside, because it's two different companies. So I'm not sure the carbon fiber will match. So if they look too different and too funky or whatever, I'm not going to use the middle one, but I am going to use this one because I think this one looks good in carbon fiber. And I also ordered a piece, small piece that go here and around those buttons. We'll see how that looks. If it looks too tacky or too fake, I'll take it off. Alright guys, so this is day 2 of this video. You can see the car in this reflection. I love looking at this. This is actually 2 days after I installed the backup camera. I thought I was supposed to get the other parts like next week, but I actually got them the next day after installing the backup camera, which looks brand new, even though it's used. But it looks way better than my previous one. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's not bad. Let me focus. It's not bad. Like, these two pieces are not bad. And that one didn't look bad at first, like looking at it like this, but when you look at it from the side, I just find it weird how it's just like stuck there and it doesn't go out. And when I bought it, I thought it was like a molded plastic piece that would cover the whole thing, not just the front. But it will do for now. If not, I'll just buy a new one and try to find something that covers everything. But not too bad. And then we got this one right here, which is temporarily on right now. Waiting to get that one. And because I'm gonna put that one on for sure, and I want to see if the two match, if they look similar, then maybe I'll leave this one on. If not, I don't know. But for now it's here temporarily. It's not gonna fall out because it's pretty tight on the top. And with the shifter, it looks pretty good. All right, we're back. This is day number 3 of filming, and this is about a week after the previous clip. So last clip you saw was this that I'm gonna be removing right now. I didn't use the glue yet because I got the new piece that goes here, and it looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look really good. So looking at it like this is not bad, and I was waiting for this one because I thought this one would be the better looking one, but it's actually the worst looking one. And as you can tell, they don't look alike at all. And I actually like it like this. I don't know, doesn't look bad, but I like how it looks with this on as well. I like how it looks with this on around, but I don't know if I want both of them on, this one and this piece. Okay, so I came to the conclusion that I'm gonna leave this piece on, the one in the middle, and I'm not gonna put the one on the outside. All right, it's on, holding on pretty well. And so yeah, unfortunately it didn't work out with this other piece. I'll just try one more time, but I just think it looks too much. I think it's too like tacky, a little too much, and this is a good amount. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link of this one in the description. I just got it from eBay, pretty cheap, but there are plenty of other ones on eBay, on Amazon. I just got this one. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.